is called x-axis. We know, we have discussed previously. Vertical line is called y-axis, x-axis, and y-axis. Sorry, this is x-axis and y-axis. This is negative of x-axis. We call x dash, and this is negative of y-axis. That is y dash. We call the point of congruence of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. 0, 0, meeting at 0, 0, and here positive values 1, 2, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. The positive of x-axis will be here, positive values, and we go back here, negative of x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, and so on. Here, this is positive of y-axis, and coming down, this is the negative of y-axis. So here, already we have discussed, this is point of congruence of x-axis and y-axis. We'll call it is 0. Also origin. Here, earlier we have discussed the graphs, the polynomials, and this, the distance from the y-axis of a point, the distance from the y-axis of a point, we'll call it is a x-coordinate. This is the x-coordinate of 2. The distance from the point of y-axis is called x-coordinate. X-coordinate is 2, because a distance from a point of y-axis is called as x-coordinate. This is 2. The point from the distance from a point of x-axis is called 2. The distance of a point from y-axis, the distance of a point from x-axis is called x-coordinate. Distance of a point from y-axis is called x-coordinate. Similarly, the distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate. That is 3. Because here the distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate. This is x-coordinate and this is y-coordinate. Because of this is x-coordinate, the reason is the point from the y-axis. The distance of a point from y-axis is nothing but distance is 2. That's the reason this is x-coordinate we call, that is 2. And here the distance of a point from x-axis is 3. Here we can observe the distance from the x-axis is 1. From here 1, 2, 3, 3 units are there. So here this is 3. So 2, 3 is a point, and this is together x-coordinate and y-coordinate. It's called order pair. So x, y or 2, 3 is the order pair. Together this is called order pair. Now let us take a point from the distance of a point from x-axis. From x-axis we have taken one point, and also we have taken a point from the y-axis also, the distance of a point from y-axis, the distance from a point of y-axis called x-coordinate. And distance from a point of x-axis is called y-coordinate. This is together x-coordinate and y-coordinate is called order pair. Distance of a point from y-axis is x-coordinate. The distance of a point from x-axis is called y-coordinate. And together x-coordinate and y-coordinate will call order pair. In this, x-coordinate is also called abscissa. And y-coordinate also called ordinate. X-coordinate is also called abscissa and y-coordinate is also called ordinate. Now, we have discussed here the point of confluence of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. X-axis and y-axis, the point of confluence of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. The point of confluence of x-axis and y-axis is called origin. And this is together x-axis and y-axis will call this is ordinate axis. This is coordinate. This is x-axis and y-axis together. It is called coordinate axis. Coordinate axis, and this is x-axis and y-axis coordinates will divide the plane into 4 parts. This is a part 1. The plane is divided into 4 equal parts, and each part is called quadrant. This is the quadrant 1 we call, this quadrant 2, and quadrant 3 and quadrant 4. The first quadrant in this is quadrant 1. Or simply we can call as Q1. And this is quadrant 2. And this is quadrant 3, quadrant 4. Let us see here the order pairs of quadrant 1. In this we can observe that we have taken any order pair 3, 3, x coordinate or y coordinate, both x coordinate and y coordinate are positive. We have taken any one of the point in quadrant 1. Not only this point, if you have taken in any point in this area we'll be getting a positive point. For example, 1, 6. This is a positive value and this is 6 is also positive value. So here in the quadrant 1, x coordinate and y coordinate, and y coordinate. In this x coordinate will be positive because we have in all the x axis are positive. All the points of x axis are positive. That's the reason x is positive. And all the points on y axis are positive. So that's the reason y is also positive. In the quadrant 1, order pairs of x, y, any order pairs are positive, plus and plus. Let us see the quadrant 2. Here in this quadrant 2, first we need to write as x order pair. X coordinate of the point we need to write. X coordinate of the point we will write, and later y coordinate of the point we need to write, like before how we have written x comma y. So x coordinate of the point is, let us take any one of the point of x coordinate is -2 and 3. So -2 comma 3. And let us take another example is -4 and 8. -4 comma 8. This is the point The distance from the x-axis is 9. The distance from the x-axis is 8. And the distance from the y-axis is 4. So that is the reason here negative of x-axis. That is the reason here -4 and 8 distance from the x-axis here. So 4 and 8 -4 comma 8. Here if we observe these two order pairs, in this x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So it becomes minus n plus. So if we have taken any point in this area, we will be getting x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So all the points will be getting minus n plus. So let us see for coordinate 3. If we take any coordinate 3 in this place, let us take any point -3, and -4. We need to take x coordinate of the point first and y coordinate of the point second. And we know that x coordinate of the point here is -3 and y coordinate of the point is -4, because the distance from the y axis is 4 units, and here this is negative of y axis, so it is negative of y axis, so that's the reason we'll be getting minus here. And the distance from the y axis is 3 units. 3 we have taken, and this is negative of y axis, so that's the reason we have taken minus here. The distance from the x axis is 4 units. Let us see from here to here, there are 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 units are there. So we have taken 4, and this is, we know that, negative of x axis. So that's the reason we have taken negative of -4. So x comma y is -3 comma 4. Let us take any other example here. -1 and -6. -1 and -6. Similarly here, we will be getting all the points negative and negative. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is also negative. Let us see the coordinate of 4. In the coordinate 4, let us see, if we have taken the x-axis and y-axis, x coordinate and y coordinate, so it will be x coordinate will be positive and y coordinate will be negative. And plus and minus, as we have taken previously, how some example we have taken, it will be in the form of positive and negative. Let us recall again. The coordinate 1 will be getting plus and plus. Both the order pairs will be positive. And here the coordinate 2, first coordinate, that is x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. And third one, first coordinate is negative and second coordinate is also negative. And fourth quadrant, first coordinate is positive and next x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative.